Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the Outlook error. There is not enough free memory to run this program while opening Outlook on your computer. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and clear temporary and cache files on your computer. So the first thing you will have to do is you will have to close Outlook. Once you close Outlook, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you can go ahead and copy or paste this location from my video description and then click on OK. So basically this will take you to the temporary files on your computer. Once you have the temporary files, you will have to go ahead and select all the files and folders by pressing Ctrl A on your computer. By pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, this should select all the files and folders. Once this is done, you may go ahead and hit delete on your keyboard to delete all the temporary files. Once the delete is complete, you might get this prompt. You may click on skip, or you can check the box which says do this for all current items and then click on skip. Once this is done, you may close this window, copy the second path from the video description, do a right click and then click on run. In the run window, paste the path from the video description and click on OK. So this will take you to the OTele location on your computer. You will have to go ahead and select everything by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard and hit delete. Close this window. So this will free up space and remove corrupted cache that causes this error. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if you are able to open Outlook, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to make some registry changes, or you can call this as a workaround. To do this, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to make sure you have your Outlook closed. Once this is done, you will have to open registry key. You will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type reg edit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now, before you make any registry changes, please be sure that you follow the steps correctly. In case if you make incorrect entries or incorrect changes to your registry key, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. So make sure you follow the steps correctly. Now, once you're on the registry editor, you can go ahead and collapse all the registry keys so that it is in this structure. Now, here you will have to go ahead and expand HKey local machine. Under HKey local machine, you will have to go ahead and locate for software and expand software. Under software, you will have to locate for Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you will have to go ahead and locate for Windows messaging subsystem. You will have to expand Windows messaging subsystem, and I will let you know why we'll have to expand this. Now here you will have to go ahead and select Windows messaging subsystem. Once you have selected Windows messaging subsystem, you will have to do a right click on the empty space on the right hand side and then click on new. And then you will have to go ahead and choose dword 32-bit value. Now here you will have to go ahead and rename this value as shared MEM max size and paste it. You can copy the file name from the video description. Make sure it has got the uppercase and lowercase as stated in the video description and on the screen. Once you have created this dword value, you can hit enter. That will go ahead and create this dword value. Once this is done, you will have to do a right click on the shared MEM max size and then click on modify. Make sure the value data is being set to 3 lakh. Use the default base to hexadecimal. Make sure the hexadecimal is selected and then you enter the value data as 3 lakh and then click on OK. Now once this is done, you will have to locate another registry key which is right under Windows messaging subsystem. You will have to see if you could locate application and Outlook. In case if you're not able to see applications and Outlook, just in my case, you will have to go ahead and create this registry key. To create this registry key, you will have to do a right click and then click on new and select key and name this as applications. Hit enter. Under application, you will have to go ahead and create another registry key which says Outlook. So you can do a right click on application, then click on new and then click on key and name this as Outlook and hit enter. So now you have an application Outlook registry key under Windows messaging system. Now here you will have to you will have to select Outlook, and then on the right hand side in an empty space you will have to do a right click and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. Name this dword 32-bit as shared MEM max size and hit enter. Once you have created this dword value, you will have to do a right click and then click on modify. Make sure you have the base value as hexadecimal. Give the value data as 3 lakh and then click on OK. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer and check if you are able to open Outlook. Now, in case if you set the value as 3000, if it doesn't fix the problem, you can increase the size up to 8 lakh. You can do a right click and then click on modify, and you can increase the value up to 8 lakh and then click on OK and check if you're able to fix the problem. So make sure once you have made these changes, close the registry editor, restart your computer and then try to open Outlook. Now all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.